The left steering rack boot on my 95 XJ12 is torn. The replacement part in the Jaguar Classic catalog has this big opening at the outer end, and it's supposed to look like this, with a big rubber donut taking up the slop. But my steering boots look like this. Welsh lists this part as a fitment for X300, so I ordered it. Let's put it in! Loosen the lug nuts and jack up the corner. Lower it onto the jack stand and remove the wheel. The tie rod end acorn nut is in 19. Oh, and it's loose already. Wonderful. Loosen it a few turns and give the steering horn a goodly rap with a hammer. There, I got it. And it's free. Put the nut back on so it doesn't go for a walk. The jam nut is at 22. I used a flare crowfoot on the nut and vice grips to counterhold. Count the turns to remove the tie rod end.
Not quite 18.
And take off the jam nut. This boot had a spring clamp. The inner boot clamp shows no easy access to the crimp. I ripped off the rest of the boot and turned the steering wheel all the way to the right.
Sure made access look a lot easier at least.
I'll just pry on it destructively. Plucked!
New boot goofing.
Guess this needs my full attention.
I got it. Turns out I didn't need both hands so much as just a closer grip.
I was able to get the clamp pretty dang tight without needing to crimp it at all. The old spring clamp was too big for the new boot. Zip tie is fine with me. So I'll spin the tie rod end back on. Count the turns. Need to press the ball joint into the knuckle for friction. Yeah, click. Click. Fight with the wheel for a bit. Take out the jack stand. Apply actual clickages. And it's done. Just have to edit and upload.